Hey, I'm back with another cooking chronicles video. This is skillet potatoes. So basically this is 4 russet potatoes and maybe a half of a sweet onion. I scrubbed my potatoes down, peeled them, sliced them, seasoned them with some, my regular seasonings that y'all have seen in my videos. Pink Himalayan salt, all seasoning, adobo seasoning, a little paprika, and then I sprayed my oil on it. I'm trying this oil out, and I still use extra virgin olive oil, but I just sprayed this oil. They do have a pourable version in this oil as well, but I just bought a spray version. So I sprayed the pan and I sprayed the potatoes, or you can use extra virgin olive oil on the potatoes as well, and toss it around, get it all coated. You spray the pan, or you pour your little olive oil in the pan, let it get hot, and then you let it pan fry for, I let it pan fry for a couple of minutes, maybe about 2-3 minutes or so, constantly tossing it. And then once I do that, I pour a little water in the bottom of the pan, turn it down low, and just let it cook down until the potatoes are soft, and I cut it off. So that's where we are now. I already did my stir frying. I poured my water in the bottom of the pan. I might pour a little bit more. I did turn it down really low to like a 2. And I'm going to just let them cook down until the potatoes are soft. And that is skillet potatoes. So I will come back sometimes later in a different video with my whole dinner. And it plated up. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please leave your comments in the box below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And peace.